You won't be able to activate your YouTube channel on your smart TV if you are not following this step till the end. So let's get started. First of all, take your any smartphone and open the Google Lens like that. Now click on that lens. Once you click on it, it will scan a barcode as you can see it. As you can see that, now just tap on that link. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to select your email ID and press the continue button. Once you tap on it, it will ask to enter the code. As you can see that it has fetched the code automatically. So you need to type that code on your mobile phone. Once you click on it, it will fetch the code. As you can see that it's now just fetching and now it is asking to connect. So you need to just click on the connect button. Once you click on it, it will fetch all the details and take some time. So as you can see that it has been successfully connected